and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you with you guys my CVS haul. Now, my camera is a little bit different because I have a brand new camera. I am still learning the features on it. It is completely different than the two cameras that I use for my videos. So if you guys give me credit here, I'm still learning. So everything might be a little dark or the color might be off. I'm still learning. Okay, so I went to CVS. There wasn't very much stuff to get, you guys. Like, it was that bad. But I'm like, you know what? I gotta go. I gotta get myself, out of my little depression. Like, there are times where I just don't want to leave the house. I really don't want to leave the house, but I'm like, I gotta do this. I gotta do this. So I got a couple things, some good items, and some great deals on certain things. So I'm just getting everything out of my little bag so I can share with you guys with that. And I'm missing an item. That's awesome. Or did I pull it? Okay, I pulled it out already. Okay, so let's get this party started. So I ended up doing the Loreal deal. Now I wanted to get the Loreal Revitalift. That's what I really liked, but I had a CRT for Age Perfect, so I ended up getting this one instead. So this was the L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Cell Renewal. It's Skin Renewing Night Cream Moisturizer. I'm at that age, I'm in my mid-30s, I'm like, I probably need something to put moisturizer on my face. So I ended up getting this. This was $26.49. Yeah, $26.49. And then I also got a L'Oreal Paris Ideal Clean. This is a foaming gel cleanser. So I got these. This was $4.99 and $26.49. There's a deal if you spend $30, you guys will get a $10 extra care buck. I used a $2 off coupon that we got for this, and then I had a $7 off Age Perfect CRT. I had a $5 off a $22 moisturizer CRT, plus I had the $3 CRT that printed from the red machine today. So I paid $14.48 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, making it $4.48. That basically comes out to be $2.21, 22 cents or something like that a piece. So I think that's a pretty good deal for going from 26 bucks for this, 27 pretty much, and getting it all the way down to $2. That is a great deal. So definitely go ahead and do this. I'm actually pretty excited to do that, so I'm putting that in my spot to bring this up front. Yeah. And cleanser, I haven't used a cleanser. I'm just used to makeup wipes, but I know cleansers are probably a little bit better for you guys. So, yes. They had some Claire's stuff on clearance for 75% off. They had it right next to the red machine. So I was waiting for the red machine to print. So I was just kind of looking at them. So I found these little bows. I thought these would be kind of cute for either next year, or I can wear them, or Miss Charlotte should have long enough hair by then. But these were $5.99. I think I got them for like $2.49. But that's pretty cute. They're just like the little bows.
Hello.
Miss Graham. Mr. Benjamin says hello.
Paris says hello.
Yeah, Paris is right next to me because she has to be in the video too. And then I just got this little hair scrunchie. I wear my hair in a ponytail when I go to sleep, and I like the scrunchies more than the hair ties because this doesn't pull my hair as much. So this was $4.99, so I think I got this for like $1.49 or something. They had it, I can't remember. I think they had a snowman and like a reindeer or something, but I'm like, I'm just gonna get this. Not the greatest thing, but I'm like, you know what, this will help me with my hair in a ponytail. So I ended up doing that. I ended up getting these Listerine tabs. Now there are coupons out there for it. I did not have a coupon. I looked and I looked and I looked. It was a regional coupon and I did not have it, but this still turned out to be a great deal. So what I ended up doing is these were $3.99. I had a 3 off a 2 CRT, plus I had a $1 off CRT. So you guys would pay $3.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $4 extra care buck, making these absolutely free. If you guys do have that $1 off coupon, it would be a $1 moneymaker. So I have yet to use these. I don't even know I've had them, but I know they kind of help. But I'm just not a huge Listerine fan, but you know what? Go for it if you guys want to go and do that. I did was the Lysol wipes, you guys. Now these were 3 for $10. Crazy. This, even without coupons, 3 for $10 is a great deal because these are like 5 something bucks alone. I think these are like $5.99 if you went to like Walmart or something. But 3 for $10, great deal. So I ended up getting 3 of the big guys because we love Lysol wipes. We use these like crazy. So I had a 3 off of 10 cleaning product CRT. So you guys would just get these for $7, or I think they're like $2.33 a piece. Yeah, $2.33 a piece for these big boys. So I think that is a great deal, and if you guys have different ones of those CRTs and you guys want to stock up, definitely go ahead and do it. Now there might be some coupons out there. I don't know if there was, but you know what? I'm still thinking this is a great deal. So I was pretty excited to get that. Okay. Okay, the next deal I did was the Secret deodorant. Okay, now I thought I had a $3 off CRT, but it was actually one for the clinical deodorant, not for the sprays. So these were 2 for $10, and I bought 4 of them. Sorry, my cat's sitting on them. Where's the 4th one? Here's the 4th one. So I bought 4 of these. So that's $20. You guys want to use 2 buy one get one free coupons. So the coupon would take $5 off times 2. So right here you guys are looking at $10. So that's $2.50 a piece, which is still a pretty okay deal. But then you guys, I had a $1 off any deodorant that I got from the Red Machine. So I paid $9 for all 4 of these. But then you guys would get a $4 extra care buck when you buy 3 of them, making it $5 or $1.25. So $1.25 for these is a pretty good deal. There was an Ibotta rebate for these, but I know sometimes, you know, they always have the rebates end right before the coupons come out because otherwise people go crazy. But pretty good deal for those. And then the last deal I got was the Crest Whitening mouthwash. Now this was $4.99 and I used a $1 off coupon. I also had a $3 off whitening CRT that I got from the Red Machine. So I paid just 99 cents for this, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck, making this a $1.01 moneymaker. So I got this absolutely free, plus I made a profit. So that was my haul, you guys. It wasn't much. My total came to $8.20. Now, I actually used the Flues app. Now, you guys are like, what is Flues? Flues is a cashback app. If you guys are familiar with Ibotta Pay, basically it's like that. If you guys join, I have a referral link below. I will be doing a couple giveaways for people who have already joined. And to be in the giveaway, you just have to download the app and then actually use it. I've had tons of people download the app but they haven't used it yet. So I will probably be doing a giveaway soon. I'm going to be giving away a couple gift cards. So if you guys are interested, you just have to download the app and use the app. Now if you guys already have used it, you're automatically in the thing. I'm going to keep, you guys are automatically, there's a lot of you guys that already joined and used it. You guys are already in the contest. But basically, for your first time you join, you get 3 vouchers, and the vouchers are, there's some stores that you can get up to 35% cash back. So basically, what you guys do is you get 35% cash back up to $10, and then after $10, it's whatever percentage it is. So it could be 1%, 2%, 7%, whatever. So I think CVS was like 2%. So my total came to like 7 something with 1 transaction including tax. So I actually, you know, bought the, I think it was like $7.21 is what it was. So I bought, you know, a $7.21 gift card. Now it automatically rounds it to the nearest dollar. So you guys will get charged $7.21. but it rounds it to the nearest dollar for $8. So what you guys can do is either you can save it, the app saves the barcode automatically, or you can screenshot it, so then when you guys go to CVS again, you can have them use that 90 something or 80 something cent gift card. So definitely use that. But I ended up getting 35% cash back with one of the vouchers that I had. So I ended up getting $2.70 back just from my $7 purchase, you guys. So if you guys pay with a credit card anyways, just use the Flues app and you guys get cash back. So just saying, it helps you guys out, you know, if you guys want to go ahead and do that. But again, my total was $8.20. I ended up using $23.50 worth of ECBs. I ended up receiving 20. But I did, like I said, I did spend like $7 something of my own money just because I didn't want to use my ECBs in one transaction. So I got $2.70 back. So without Flues, it came to $11.70. But with Flues included, because hey, that's free money that I just got back, it came out to be $9. $9 for 12 items. I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, if you guys think about it, this stuff is always like, this is expensive, you guys. Like these are usually like $7.99 a piece if you guys usually get that. So I was pretty excited. They sell these for $8 a piece. So that's, you know, that's crazy. So I think it's a pretty good deal for 12 items for $9. If you guys haven't joined, definitely do Flues. Use my referral link and you guys just have to use the app. And you guys are entered to win. I will be doing a couple gift card giveaways. I think I'm going to announce the information either on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day, but I will let people join and then we'll do a live video where I pick the winners, you guys. So definitely go ahead and join that, you guys. Thank you so much for the people who have joined. I do get a little incentive if you guys do join, and it helps me a lot because then I can share with you guys more giveaways. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what you enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed anything, give this video a thumbs up, and again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.